GoTo Resolve is one of the most powerful remote management tools designed for IT teams, offering a variety of features to streamline the way you manage devices, support users, and ensure everything is running smoothly. But is it the best solution for your IT team? In this video, we'll dive deep into the strengths and limitations of GoTo Resolve, and I'll show you why you might want to consider alternatives to achieve even better results. Stick around until the end for some exclusive insights that could change the way you manage IT remotely. First, let's talk about GoTo Resolve's core strengths. One of the key features that stands out is its remote support capabilities. The ability to take control of devices, troubleshoot problems, and provide real-time assistance without the need for physical presence is a huge time saver for IT teams. Whether you're supporting employees on the go or managing devices in different locations, GoTo Resolve allows for quick, effective resolutions. Next thing to consider is GoTo Resolve's device management system. It allows you to easily deploy software updates, patches, and system checks across multiple devices with a few clicks. This centralized management helps IT teams ensure that all systems are secure and up to date, reducing the chances of security vulnerabilities. The user interface is designed to be intuitive, so IT professionals can manage devices quickly and efficiently without the steep learning curve that can come with other tools. However, it's not all sunshine and roses. While GoTo Resolve offers powerful remote management features, there are some limitations that IT teams should be aware of. For example, the tool might not be the best fit for teams with highly complex environments or highly specialized IT needs. Some users have noted that, in certain cases, it lacks advanced automation features that would really streamline processes, especially in larger organizations. Another potential drawback is the pricing. While it offers a solid feature set, some customers find GoTo Resolve's pricing structure to be a bit on the higher side compared to other remote management solutions. This can be an issue for smaller businesses or teams with tight budgets, especially when considering the costs of additional features or add-ons. The fourth thing to mention is the competition. Now, GoTo Resolve is solid, but there are other remote management tools that could serve your IT team even better. For example, TeamViewer is another well-known name in the industry. While TeamViewer offers similar features, it's known for having stronger cross-platform compatibility and a more robust set of tools for team collaboration and integration with third-party apps. Then, we have alternatives like AnyDesk, which offers fast and reliable remote access. For teams that prioritize speed and efficiency, AnyDesk's minimal latency could make it a more appealing choice, especially if you're working with high-demand tasks that require real-time performance. Finally, let's talk about your options. If you're considering GoTo Resolve, keep in mind that while it's a powerful remote management tool, there are alternatives that might be a better fit depending on your team's specific needs. Through our exclusive link, you'll get access to the best free trial for GoTo Resolve, but I also want to introduce some alternatives that offer even better features for the goals outlined in this video. In summary, GoTo Resolve is a great remote management tool, but depending on the size and needs of your IT team, you may find better value with some of the alternatives. Whether you choose GoTo Resolve or another tool, make sure to take advantage of our exclusive, extended free trials to ensure you're getting the best deal. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to these free trials and some additional benefits that are only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching!